Understanding lost in the sauce in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a colorful and interesting phrase in the English language, lost in the sauce. This phrase is a great example of English idioms that can be both fun and a bit challenging to understand. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its origins. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use lost in the sauce like a native speaker. At its core, lost in the sauce is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is confused, overwhelmed, or unable to understand a situation. It's often used when someone is so deeply involved in the details or complexities of a situation that they miss the bigger picture or become confused. Imagine you're trying to solve a complicated puzzle, and you're so focused on one small piece that you can't see how it fits into the whole picture. That's being lost in the sauce. Knowing how to use an idiom correctly is crucial. Lost in the sauce is typically used in informal contexts and can be applied in various situations. Here are a few examples. In personal situations, I was so lost in the sauce trying to figure out my taxes that I missed the deadline. In work context, our team was lost in the sauce during the project, focusing too much on minor details. In learning environments, sometimes, students can get lost in the sauce when they're bombarded with too much information at once. It's important to note that while the phrase can have a negative connotation, it can also be used in a light-hearted or humorous way. The phrase, lost in the sauce, is believed to have military origins, particularly from the U.S. military. It was used to describe soldiers who were not performing well or were disoriented. Over time, the phrase made its way into civilian use, retaining its meaning of confusion or being overwhelmed but often used in less serious situations. Understanding the origin of idioms like this helps in appreciating the dynamic and evolving nature of the English language. And there you have it. Lost in the sauce is a playful yet expressive way to describe being overwhelmed or confused. Remember, idioms like this add flavor to language and are a fun way to enhance your English vocabulary. We hope this video has helped demystify this interesting phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next language adventure.